Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn history dates using an easy method. Many people find memorizing dates challenging, but with a structured approach, it becomes much simpler. We'll explore techniques that link dates directly to significant events, making them more meaningful and easier to remember. This method focuses on understanding context rather than just rote memorization, which improves long-term retention. The first step is to connect dates to the actual events. Instead of seeing a date as an isolated number, think about what happened on that day and why it was important. For example, if you're learning about a major battle, understand its causes and effects. This contextual understanding helps your brain form stronger associations, making the date stick in your memory much more effectively than just repeating it. Next, incorporate visual aids and active recall into your study routine. Drawing simple diagrams or creating a visual timeline can significantly boost your memory. Flashcards are excellent for testing yourself regularly, ensuring you're actively retrieving information. Try to explain the events and their dates to a friend or family member. Teaching others solidifies your own understanding and highlights any areas needing more review. Finally, consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Dedicate a few minutes each day to quickly go over the dates you've learned. Employ spaced repetition, revisiting information at increasing intervals to move facts from short-term to long-term memory. Regularly testing yourself with practice questions will not only reinforce your knowledge, but also build confidence in your ability to recall historical dates accurately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.